Hey guys, so I got this in the mail the other day. I was pretty excited about it. My plan is to use this in our awning room and in the tent, and maybe mount a light outside too, if I can do that. I'm not really sure what all you can do with it, but I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it up here and see what all comes in it. It's a Zamp solar LED lighting. I bought it off Amazon. I think it was around $39.99. It comes with 4 lights, and they're magnetic, or you can Velcro them in place, it says. It has a 110 volt adapter, 12 volt battery clips, cigarette lighter plug, 2 8-foot long extension cords, 33-foot long extension cord, and magnets and Velcro straps. And the connectors are waterproof also. It also comes with a LED remote. So let's open it up and see what's in there. It looks like it's packaged pretty well. So it comes with this carrying bag to keep it all together when you're not using it. And looks like the LED light strips all have like an elastic band to hold them in place, so they're not just floating around in there. It's kind of unrolls pretty nice there. So you have all your lights, and looks like your accessories in these pouches. So here's the cigarette lighter plug that comes with it, or there's battery clamps with a cigarette lighter plug on it that you can use to clamp it to a battery. And these look like the cords you would use to run between each light. And I think these are 8 feet long. So this one here looks a little bit shorter. But I'm thinking you could probably kind of set the lights up however you want, as long as you have enough cord for it. It comes with this little remote control. Let's see, you can adjust the brightness. There's a bright plus and bright minus button there, or there's 100%, 50%, or 25% preset buttons. There's also mode and speed on here. I'm not sure what that is. Alright, so there's those cords. And this must be the 33-foot long cord. And then there's a bunch of Velcro straps here that you could probably use, like if you want to Velcro it around a bar, on your awning, or inside your tent. And here's some, looks like inline switches. So you can connect that to your light, and then the other end to the battery, and then you have an on and off switch like that for each individual light. So for $40, if these lights work, I think that's a pretty good deal. These are all made out of aluminum, and it says they're magnetic on the ends here. These are supposed to be magnets. They seem like pretty decent quality. And try to get one of them hooked up here. Let's see how it works. whole pack here comes out of the bag. You can kind of lay it out and you got everything right there for you. So here's the 110 plug that it comes with. Try to do this as simple as possible here. I'll go from the plug into one of the switches right to the light. So this end here seems to be kind of misshaped a little bit where it threads on. There we go. Made it a little difficult to put together, but just kind of squeeze it back to the way it's supposed to be. And the connection's nice and solid once you get it together. I'll try turning the switch on. There you go. Pretty bright. So, like I said, this kit comes with all different types of adapters and different length cables, so you can space them out pretty well if you want. If you want to have two outside and two inside, or a couple in your awning and a couple in your tent, maybe one on your rack or something to light up the back of your truck if you like to use your tailgate to cook on or something. All kinds of options. So I'll leave a link to this down below in the description, and if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and go through that link and it'll take you right to it. And looking forward to getting to use it. Thanks for watching.